Well, I'm here now with Ted Irvin of Express Screen Incorporated, and Ted, you're going to show me the GoCo Pro, right?
That's correct. Thank you, Nikki. This is our brand new machine, the GoCo Pro. We can take an image from any software program, whether it's Corel, Photoshop, or a Word document, send it to the print driver, and it will print right here on the GoCo Pro. It will act like an inkjet printer. Inside the GoCo Pro is some pre-coated mesh, and we're going to expose the mesh by the thermal printer. So let me get started here real quick. We're going to go to the print, just hit the print button, and like I mentioned earlier, any software programs will work just fine.
So this is just like printing off of a Word document?
Yes. And the image is now being downloaded. It has 125 meg in there, so it can store a fairly big image. We hit the start button, in about a minute's time, the mesh will come out already exposed. We have a roll of thermal mesh inside. We have 4 different mesh counts, 70, a 120, 180, and a 200 mesh count. And the film is heat sensitive, not light sensitive. And it's going under a thermal head right now, and that is going to expose the screen when it comes out on the other side.
So what's the difference from this machine to others out there that are on the market right now?
Well, as far as I know, this is one of the only machines on the market right now today that's using thermal technology to expose the screen. There's some direct-to-screen processes out there, but they're not using the screen material that is thermal sensitive. So they're using emulsified screens, having to wash it out, go through all those steps. We're saving quite a few minutes of time right here. We'll be printing in less than 10 minutes.
Right, so there are lots of benefits to this machine.
That's correct.
All right, so the screen is all printed out. Let's go through the next part of the demonstration.
Okay. We have the mesh now. It's already pre-cutted. We have, you can make any size that you like. We can go from a little small size to a much larger size of 3.5 feet if you want to go that long. Now we're going to attach the screen to the frame. We just put the mesh down.
We've got it secured on there now.
Secured. We'll fasten it with these screws real quick. Okay, now the screen is ready to be stretched. We have our tension bolts here. We can pull and stretch it and get about 15 newtons on the screen. The screen is good, the frame is good for multicolors. It can do halftones. It's also very good at printing plastics, metals, and sign material. We'll mention again that we have the 70 mesh, 120, 180, and 200 mesh counts. Tight as a drum, and now we're ready to print.
All right.
Now we come over to the press. We're going to load the frame in. Load my shirt real quick. We're using regular plastisol ink.
All right, it's my favorite part.
Pull the squeegee.
Wow, it's so clean.
Okay, here's our finished product of the GoCo Pro. One of the best parts of the system is right here in the cleanup. When we're done, we can take the screen apart and just throw it away. If you know you're going to save it again, like if you did a ball team, you did your 20 pieces, next month you might need to do one more, you can take the screen out of the frame and save it. Just put it aside, maybe put it in a little trash bag to protect it from any lint or dirt. But the best part, like I said, you got an $8 cost in the screen, is just take it out, cut it off, and that's my cleanup.
And it's as simple as that.
Simple as that.
Wonderful.
Very quick, clean, and environmentally friendly.
And such a crisp, clean print that you've got there.